As one of the most iconic offerings from the renowned Italian automaker, the Ferrari 812 Superfast epitomizes the brand's dedication to performance and elegance. Since its inception in 2017, this Grand Tourer proudly carries on the legacy of front-engine rear-wheel drive V12 Ferraris. It is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces an awe-inspiring 789 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful, naturally aspirated production cars in the world. The powertrain is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which helps it achieve lightning-fast gear changes. The vehicle's performance figures are astounding, as it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and achieve a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Its performance is not limited to straight-line speed. This car is also an adept corner-carver. Thanks to the use of advanced technologies such as electric power steering, side slip control, and virtual short wheelbase system, it offers precise handling and outstanding agility, making it a perfect choice for both road and track driving. From an aesthetic standpoint, this model boasts a perfect blend of aggressiveness and sophistication. Its design is inspired by the classic Ferraris of the 1960s, but is seamlessly infused with modern aerodynamic elements. The car features sleek lines and muscular arches, as well as active aerodynamic elements that help to maintain downforce and reduce drag. The interior is equally exquisite, offering a perfect combination of luxury and performance-focused elements. On the inside, the car's occupants are treated to a luxurious and driver-focused cockpit. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing the driver to choose the information displayed. Moreover, it is equipped with the latest infotainment system, offering a range of connectivity options. The perfect integration of modern technology ensures that the driving experience is both thrilling and comfortable. Another notable aspect is its customization options. Like many other offerings from the marque, customers can tailor various aspects of the car to their liking through Ferrari's tailor-made program. This includes choices in exterior colors, interior materials, and finishes, as well as options for performance upgrades and accessories. This level of customization allows each customer to have a truly unique vehicle. The 812 Superfast is a testament to Ferrari's unparalleled engineering prowess and passion for performance. It combines breathtaking performance with an elegant design and a luxurious interior, making it a dream car for enthusiasts around the world. While its price tag is steep, for those who have the means, it offers an unmatched driving experience that is representative of the prancing horse's illustrious heritage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.